口让爱的爱呀吧。
Ichiruchi and Komate. Presentation of our traditional Linyan food to our Honorable K.D. Singh, IPS retired, ex-Joint Commissioner of Police, Delhi. Thank you, Ichiruchi and Boy.
Thank you, Sri K.D. Singh ji. Next, I would like to invite Jaina Morangkem and Laikuiba Leishanten to finally felicitate Sri Dayanand ji, France and Karyawa RSS Delhi.
Felicitation of our distinguished dignitary, Sri Dayanand ji, Pranshah Karyawa, Joint Secretary RSS Delhi, Government Officer residing in Pandav Nagar. Thank you, Iche Daina and Laikuiba Mete. We will commence today's program with a welcome song being sung by Lakshmi and Tanuja.
Thank you, Ms. Lasky and Daruza, for opening song. In continuation of the program, I would like to invite Nageshwar Huitron, Himotaka Organizing Committee, New Delhi, to give a keynote address regarding today's function. They will be speaking about Himotaka and its journey and its relevancy in present time. So, Mr. Nageshwar Huitron, Himotaka Organizing Committee, you are kindly requested to come to take the stage and give this welcome address. Thank you.
Honorable Minister of Science and Technology and Art Sciences, Dr. Harshvardhan ji, Honorable National Vice President of BJP Delhi and Uttarakhand, and respected Dayanand ji, Joint Secretary RSS Delhi, respected Shri K.D. Singh, IPS ex Joint Secretary of Delhi Police, and distinguished guests, and all the members of the media press. On behalf of the organizing committee Ningol Chakauba Festival Delhi, it is my privilege to extend a very warm welcome to all our distinguished dignitaries here. I am extremely overwhelmed how fortunate we are to have such a wonderful crowd with all smiling faces for this particular and auspicious lunch with a bond of love between the brothers, sisters, parents, which happens once in a year. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a big applause for our dignified guests and our special guests. May I take this opportunity to say something about how important this festival is for the Manipuris in particular. All married women, they pay visit to their ancestral home once in a year on the invitation of their brother, uncle, parents, whatever be that. And then they are treated as the chief guests on this particular day. And special multi-cuisine dishes are served on the ladies because they are the chief guests for this particular function. And we, as a customary practice from time immemorial, has been continuing since today. And at the end of the function, we used to give to the ladies, married women, daughters, as a token of love, some kind of items. And that makes the bond of love between their brothers and their ancestral family members. So, मैं इस मौके में ये कहना चाहूँगा, माननीय मंत्री जी से भी मैं थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि यहाँ उत्तर भारत या और अन्य राज्यों में भी भाई दूज के नाम पर एक त्योहार मनाते हैं। ये बनाते तो ये भाई दूज की त्योहार है और आज की निंगोल चकौबा फेस्टिवल, दोनों त्योहारों के अंतर में काफी समानता है। यहाँ बहुत ही जगहों में भी बनाते हैं और हमें उसी दिन में हमें बनाना था, लेकिन उस दिन में जो है कि सरकारी कर्मचारी है और द बिजी शेड्यूल ऑफ दी ऑल दी डिस्टिंग्विश्ड गेस्ट हमें नहीं कर पाया। लेकिन यहाँ आरएसएस दिल्ली की सहयोग से हमें स्कूल की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मिले, हमें गाइडेंस दिया, हमें कन्विंस किया कि आपको करना चाहिए। We are here for you. So please give a big hand for RSS Delhi and especially Samaj Sangh Samiti for providing us huge infrastructure. Without their help, it could not be possible to have this one, to organize such a grand function in such a way. I may mention here another thing, that we as a migratory people, we can say from the northeast, it is very difficult to organize a function in Delhi in such a remote area without this proper infrastructure, without any proper building of our own. But people living in Delhi, especially the RSS and their subsidiary functionaries, they are very much helpful. RSS is working as a voluntary organization. They also make different programs all over the country just to make a bridge, the gap between the different communities and cultural nationalism. So RSS is the biggest organization to make the cultural integration in the country. So I am very much proud to be here and taking this opportunity. I also appreciate the school manager, principal, or chairman. I may not be able to take each and everyone's name here, but this whole main power of this organizing the function has been provided by the Samaj Samiti of the Delhi. Last year also, sir, we celebrated the same function here under the chief guest of our Honorable Minister Dr. Jitendra Ji, Minister of Donor, and Sri Alok Kumar Ji, Honorable Branch Sachalak, were on the dais on that day, and that was the function was held in a very grand fashion. So we are very sorry this year, due to the late arrangement, we could not gather much crowd, but many are coming. So very sorry to say that we are a bit behind, lagging behind in keeping the punctuality of the time. So we should learn so many things from RSS in this country. So ladies and gentlemen, your presence itself shows the enthusiasm and support for us, and we may be organizing the function in a better way, in a bigger role in the coming years. I also welcome and thank my dear members, the committee members, organizers, donors, who have been running from pillar to post and so many days without proper sleep for collecting the materials, distributing the invitation cards in such a short notice. And especially, we were able to organize the function up to this level because of the RSS here. So, sir, you are most welcome here, and I also request all the crowd here to stay with us, and so many wonderful programs, rich cultural performances are coming to follow here in this guys. So last but not the least, I also like to thank all media friends, the distinguished guests, and our chief guest, and all the dignitaries in the dais. Thank you, Jai.
Miyambu amuka hanantara nokchiri ahanumaktada nashi ningol chakubagi yaifu paujil pijari nashi nungairaba numit ashida tharamashi mapung fahatbibagi namakta lingshinbiriba khwai pungamukpu singjananjariba ningol chakuba organizing committee maikidagi adom butaram nokchiri MP Lok Sabha Chandni Chowk, former Minister in Delhi Government 1993, Minister of Health and Law 1996, Minister of Education. His significant contribution is successful implementation of Pulse Polio program, which involved mass immunization of 1 million children up to the age of 3 in Delhi. In 1995, the same program was adopted nationwide, leading to 88 million children. In 1998, he received Director General's Polio Education Champion Award Commendation Medal by World Health Organization. Above all, he is a devoted worker of RSS and a very popular mass leader in Delhi. So I now take this distinct honor of inviting our special guest, Dr. Harshvardhan, to present a short speech.
Dignitaries of the dais, my colleague in BJP, Shri Shyam Jaju ji, very senior police officer who served Delhi for almost 2 decades, Mr. D.K. Singh, and our senior RSS functionary, Shri Om Prakash ji, others in the audience from RSS, Mr. Om Prakash, Shyam ji, and our BJP Secretary Mantri for Delhi, Siddharthan ji, other dignitaries and my dear friends, all the distinguished participants and organizers of this grand function. Well, friends, it's a matter of great privilege for me to be able to attend this program, and I have to thank the organizers and express my heartfelt gratitude to you for giving me the privilege of being a participant in Dingol Chocoba. And you see, I'm a born Delhiite and have spent almost 6 decades now in Delhi, and that way participated in 60 Bhaiya Dooj functions. But I can tell you that what usually happens on Bhaiya Dooj in Delhi is all only mechanical. Sister go to the brother's house, she does perform something and she comes back. But with such great pomp and show, dignity and happiness, pleasure, enjoyment, enthusiasm, energy, I haven't seen or even thought of a program which is like similar and which has the spirit of Bhaiya Dooj inbuilt in it in my 6 decades of life. So I have to congratulate all of you, our very beautiful, gorgeous sisters in this program, and of course the brothers also, for organizing this function in Delhi. And I was rather shocked when the speaker before me, he said that we have got migrated from Manipur to Delhi, so we feel so sad and we have to be, you feel obliged to RSS for giving this place and all. You see, number one, I object to this use of word migrated from such and such place. You see, India is one, and this is one of the most beautiful countries of the whole world with the best possible traditions. We may have different language, different styles, different religion, different ways of thinking, different dresses, different foods. Everything changes within 10, 15, 20 kilometers, what to talk of going from Delhi to Manipur. But this is a beautiful place where, in spite of all these diversities of all nature, we enjoy that greatness in this country, that piousness of the feeling of being one, the unity and diversity. So when you say that from Manipur, when you come to Delhi, you migrated from Manipur to Delhi, I think I strongly object to this. And Delhi being the capital of India, that way the whole of India is everybody's home. For me, I feel that Manipur is an equal home. Kerala is also an equal home. Odisha is also an equal home. And Kashmir is also an equal home, though I may have been born in Delhi. So Delhi is home for everyone. And being the capital, I always have this privilege, and I had this privilege for many, many years of enjoying the Manipur life, or the Nagaland life, or the Arunachal life, or the Assam life in Delhi itself, because of the fact that the people who come from different parts of the country in Delhi, they organize so beautiful programs in last many, many years. And especially after being in public life for over 2 decades, I have been, you can say, participant in almost all types of programs. Whether they belong to the Telugu people, whether they belong to the Malayali people, or the Tamil people, or the Oriya people, or the Gujarati people, or the people from Northeast. So that way you should never have this feeling. And when you say that you feel obliged and the RSS gave you this thing, the RSS has been doing this for last 100 years. And this is what this confusion, maybe if at all it is spread, they are trying to clear the air about all this and have everybody have this feeling that every place in India is everybody's home. So for that matter, I think when you are in Delhi, this is always your home and this is always your place, and RSS has been doing all this. So friends, it's a very, very great occasion. I am sure that you are not here to listen to all these speeches, and I can only tell you that this is not an occasion to describe and talk about all that in detail, but we all are fortunate to have a great Prime Minister in India right now at the helm of affairs, Mr. Narendra Modi, who has got brilliant ideas, who is an extraordinary visionary, who has, I think, extraordinary energy, and who is always thinking so much about ensuring that each and every part of India grows into, you can say, tremendous heights. And more particularly, I have to mention here and place it on record that Mr. Narendra Modi's utmost attention and concentration and focus is on ensuring that all the places in Northeast, they are not only developed as much as what the rest of India is, but they are rather developed better or more developed than the rest of India. And from the day one, I have been watching with, you can say, minute observation that there is hardly a cabinet meeting when our Prime Minister doesn't ask the ministers, what did you do in Northeast? When did you go to Northeast? What have you done? What is your next plan? What is that has been done till now? And almost all the ministers, they have been visiting, they have already completed, they are planning about Northeast, and they have a future plan for Northeast, and even I can tell you myself, I have before being a minister in the Modiji's government, you may not believe it, but I had gone to Northeast only once in my life. That was only for a BJP meeting before I became a minister in Assam. Otherwise, I had not, although it was my dream to be able to see Northeast, but unfortunately I could never get that type of privilege. But after being a minister in Narendra Modiji's government, I got this privilege of being able to see each and every part of Northeast, get myself familiar with the problems of Northeast, and I can tell you that there are a number of schemes that have been launched by the Modiji's government to give the best possible connectivity to Northeast and particularly Manipur also with the rest of the country, whether it is communication, whether it is science, whether it is technology, whether it is biotechnology, and a lot of your young people, they are being trained, given the scientific acumen, they are being sent abroad. So many schemes, I don't want to get into them. And in your Manipur also, we have a very, very prestigious institute where a lot of great things are happening. We have a director there who actually studied in Delhi University, who is a born Delhiite, but he's served in Manipur for so many years. You people all know about it. So, friends, this is just to give you a glimpse of what Narendra Modiji's government thinks about the Northeast, about the states like Manipur and Assam and Nagaland and other places. And I can assure you that once the tenure of this government is over, and of course we'll have many more tenures after this under the able leadership of Narendra Modiji, you'll certainly see a lot of significant, perceptible and measurable changes in Northeast in the coming years. And this is a very, very pious occasion. I pray to God and wish that all of you should have more and more of happiness in your life, more and more of prosperity in your life, and particularly to all my sisters and daughters who are all here. We, on behalf of brothers in Delhi, whether they belong to Manipur or whether they don't belong to Manipur. Irrespective of that, we all pray for your welfare and for your success in all your endeavors and for the better future of your children also. With these few words, I once again thank all of you for giving me this privilege of being part of this function. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai.
Thank you, Sri Harshvardhan Ji, Honorable Minister, Science and Technology and Earth Science. As far as Ningol Chakobwa Festival is considered, it is such a great secular festival. It may be originated among Meitei communities of Manipur, but it is celebrated by all the 36 communities living in Manipur. So this is such a great festival that has a great sense of universality. And in this festival, women are given special privilege. They are not allowed to cook in this particular festival. In this particular day, they are not even allowed to touch the leftovers. They are not allowed to wash these utensils and all. So in this particular day, they are given special privilege. So it is a festival that has an inbuilt ideals of women empowerment. So as Narendra Modi ji is shouting about women empowerment in India, it is such a festival that can be promoted all over India to bring justice against discriminated women, to bring justice against harassed women, to bring gender equality in India. Thank you. So, next, मैं श्री श्याम जाजू जी को बुलाना चाहता हूँ इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में कुछ बताने के लिए. So, ladies and gentlemen, please take the privilege to welcome Sri Shyam Jaju ji, BJP National Vice President. He is also in charge of Delhi and Uttarakhand. So, please welcome Mr. Shyam Jaju ji with a big round of applause. Thank you.
मंच पर उपस्थित केंद्र सरकार के कैबिनेट मंत्री हर्षवर्धन जी, इतने बड़े ओहदे पर रहते हुए इतना साधारण व्यवहार कार्यकर्ता जैसा हम किसी में देखते नहीं. डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन जी हमारे आदर्श हैं. मंच पर बैठे हुए केडी सिंह जी, जो बहुत उच्च पदों पर रहे हैं दिल्ली में, अभी गोवा में रहते हैं, पर अपने सर्विस में से रिटायर होने के बाद भी समाज के बारे में जो कुछ चिंतन करते हैं, प्रेरणा रखते हैं, ऐसा व्यक्तित्व केडी सिंह जी का है. संघ के अधिकारी दयानंद जी, ऑडियंस में बैठे हुए भाजपा के महामंत्री संगठन सिद्धार्थन जी, ओम प्रकाश जी, भाजपा के दिल्ली प्रदेश के उपाध्यक्ष चहल जी, और इस निंगोल चाकोबा कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने के लिए आए हुए सभी भाई और बहन. मंच पर बैठे हुए मैं सबके चेहरे देख रहा था. हमारी परंपरागत वेशभूषा में पहनकर जब बहनें आती है तो कैसे सुंदर दिखती है. हमारे परंपरागत वेश में मैं देख रहा था. सब लोगों के मन में भारत के बारे में जो कल्पना है विदेशों में, हम तो बचपन से आरएसएस में सीखते आए हैं. अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश. दिल्ली हो या गुवाहाटी, अपना देश, अपनी माटी, ये सब हम सीखते आए हैं. और केवल नामों से देश एक नहीं होता. जैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि ये भैया दूज का ही एक दूसरा प्रकार इस निंगोल चाकोबा में हम देख रहे हैं. बहन जब अपने घर में आती है तो वो खाली हाथ नहीं आती, अपने घर का उपहार लेकर आ रही है, फल लेके आ रही है, मिष्ठान लेकर आ रही है, मायके के लोगों के लिए कुछ लेके आ रही है, और जाते समय भी यहाँ से गिफ्ट लेकर जा रही है. ये देना और लेना नहीं है, ये संकेत है फीलिंग्स का. एक पुरुष जब रहता है बेटा, तो वो एक घर का चिंता करता है, अपने घर की चिंता करता है. बेटी वो है जो अपने मायके की भी चिंता करती है और अपन जहां रहती है वो ससुर की भी चिंता करती है. और बेटियों के स्वभाव में एक विशेषता है. मुझे भी 4 बहनें, आप सबके रूप में मैं देख रहा हूं कि ये महिलाओं को जो संवेदनशीलता दी है वो पुरुषों में नहीं है. महिलाओं में जो समर्पण भाव है, जो सेवा भाव है, वो पुरुषों में नहीं है. बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम्स में कई बार पुरुष कितना भी होशियार हो, वो रास्ता नहीं निकाल सकता, पर महिला तुरंत उसमें रास्ता निकाल सकती है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी परंपरा में ये इस प्रकार के जो कार्यक्रम दिए इसके पीछे बड़ा मकसद है। बहुत बार विदेशों में भारत की संस्कृति, भारत की परंपरा, हमारी रीति रिवाज, हमारी कार्य पद्धति, इसकी चर्चा होती है, पर ये हमारे केवल किताबों में नहीं है। विदेश में कानून में महिला को प्रॉपर्टी का राइट दिया है, हमारे भी देश में, पर हमारे देश में वो अलग तरीके से था, अब तो कानून में भी आ गया। हमारे देश में बेटी जब ससुर में जाती है शादी होकर, तो उसके बेटे और बेटी के शादी में भी मायके से कुछ आता है, ये एक तरफ से उसका राइट है, पर उसको कल्चर में बांधा है। तो मुझे लगता है कि इस प्रकार से रीति रिवाज से हमारी संस्कृति ज्यादा विकसित हुई है, समृद्ध हुई है, और इससे देश हमारा एक बना है। केवल किताबों में अच्छी बातें लिखने से, अच्छे भाषण होने से समाज नहीं बनता है। समाज जिस चरित्र से बनता है, विवेकानंद जी का एक उदाहरण मेरे ध्यान में आ रहा है। विवेकानंद जी जब शिकागो में भारत को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए स्पीच देने के लिए गए, और सुबह सुबह वो शिकागो के रास्ते से घूम रहे थे, तो एक विदेश के कपल साथ जाते जाते उन्होंने देखा ये कैसे कपड़े पहने हुआ सन्यासी वेश का आदमी कैसे घूम रहा है। तो वो महिला अपने पति को कह रही, देखिए वो पुरुष कैसे, हाउ फनी ही लुक्स। ये सुना विवेकानंद जी ने कि ये महिला अपने पर फनी जैसी कमेंट कर रही है। विवेकानंद जी तुरंत रुके, उनको बोला, सुनिए, मैं उस देश से आता हूं, आप उस देश से हैं जहां टेलर मेक्स मैन जेंटलमैन। आपके यहाँ जेंटलमैन सभ्य पुरुष टेलर बनाता है, वो कैसे कपड़े पहने हैं, कैसा अपीयरेंस है, कैसे दिखता है, इससे वो जेंटलमैन साबित होता है। यू आर फ्रॉम द कंट्री वेयर टेलर मेक्स मैन जेंटलमैन, आई एम फ्रॉम द कंट्री वेयर कैरेक्टर मेक्स मैन जेंटलमैन। तो बोले मैं उस देश से आता हूं, मेरा परिधान कैसा है इस पर नहीं है, मेरा व्यवहार कैसा है, मेरी सोच कैसी है, मेरा सोचना कैसा है, इस पर यहाँ का जेंटलमैन साबित होता है। ये जो कैरेक्टर है ये केवल किताबों से नहीं बनता, ये व्यवहार से बनता है, एक दूसरे को देख के बनता है। इस प्रकार की परंपरागत जो हमारी बातें हैं बहुत सोच समझ कर बनाई गई है, इससे समाज बनता है। और आरएसएस तो वो संगठन है जिन्होंने इस समाज को ये सिखाया, अपने घरों में कार्यक्रम मत करिए, अपने घरों में तो करिए, शस्त्र पूजा करनी है घर में करिए, पर सामूहिक इकट्ठा आकर करिए। अपने घर में निंगो चाको आपके बहन भाई के करिए, पर यहाँ इकट्ठा आके एक सामुदायिक रूप से करिए। इससे एक समुदाय की शक्ति बढ़ती है, समाज की शक्ति बढ़ती है, सामूहिक मानस बनता है, सबका आत्मविश्वास बनता है, और इससे जो एनवायरमेंट बनता है, इससे देश आगे बढ़ता है। इसलिए मोदी जी जो कहते हैं महिलाओं के बारे में तो सबसे ज्यादा संवेदनशील कोई होगा तो वो मोदी जी है। इस बार के रक्षाबंधन में उन्होंने सब केंद्रीय मंत्रियों के हमारे बहनों को बॉर्डर पर भेजा, जवानों को रक्षा बांधी। इस बार उन्होंने मैसेज दिया, दिवाली में एक दिया जवानों के लिए लगाइए, खुद हर दिवाली वहां बॉर्डर पर जाकर मना रहे। इससे जो मैसेज जा रहा है देश में, इससे देश समर्थ हो रहा है, सशक्त हो रहा है। मेरे को इस कार्यक्रम में बुलाने के लिए मैं आयोजकों को धन्यवाद देता हूं। बहुत ही अच्छे, पवित्र और सात्विक कार्यक्रम में शरीक होने का मुझे मौका दिया। आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, धन्यवाद।
That was a splendid and gorgeous performance by Northeast Cultural Forum. This has been one of the traditional dance of Manipur that represents Manipur in India all over international arena.
आप फोन करो ना, वो पहुंचने के बाद रिंग रोड पे ही है, ठीक है? हाँ तो बात करो।
अखोई ngasi ningo chako bu chinjari se sigi kei nungai taba kyam nungai ge uda phok phok rong phok ta
ngai taba am ta lai de ngai yang hao
injang se kumai to bi ge ma oh mathang da so khoi program se sin ba da yaw bi do kwai to de oh accident chong sin ba ngam bo je ko khoi jo khoi ngasi ningo chako ba khoi sinja ba sida
matanda di basi piye matanda mayam na ho ko ba ka mag loina na lego puri thon bigani hai ki ka na और bigani hai ka ta tari loina na asi ko function asi mang da team liba ikoi organizing committee na sai ko dingi sija ni mathan ki chawra sida ka program si su saruk yami ngani hai ki thaja tham jadi mayam na ho ko ba ka mag loina na ko program asi ko saruk yami ngani ka jadi aduga loina na makada laiba volunteer sing asu agoi mama sing ne sing ise ise sing ka khalak matamda agoi assist to bina bina matamda ko ding sing jari Maybe mama sing ne sing ise ise sing asu coordinate of you agoi hana ruba ko na voluntary ni matam line na ki matam line na ki mama da matam ka khalak na ai bagi sing ase organizing committee ki mai ke di lo bina na bina matam ko ding sing jari
Dali solo. Chalo hamne. Amai. Chalo.
Nasigi ko ba kung sa si sab sa ro matunda tulo ka pa si Nicole sa ko bagi na rukin mati ay ko ni magulay ko kung jani para magana na hindi ko kwento na mga si sa ako na tawag kwento na mga ni ko matanda program si do di ako ko ni ko ba ko bina bina magkano ka ni jari matang ki ola pa chahi jadi masidagi hina saw si tabagi egogi thona adu bibi ramda bagi tamaka dekira ki mama ne si si mapam dagi organizing committee na injury adu na loina na asigi program asi kung tara dagi hawu kya na notification ko ki ta so dekira ki mama ne ni si sa kai ko na manga ya na thi sa kung tara ko ibaro tara dai lori marang na matang sila ko matang dagi ya na matang sana kung sana na kiraga program asi kung hawu ko na ba manga sa ti family gani hai buli phaja wado ai ni committee ki mai ke jadi so family adu ka loina na Nasigi season nandari ba kamu asi isan apoya itu puri kan ki individual by individual invite the worker so matang ni program tadi sin puni matang bukham ni ba ito sin puni mapang bukham ni ba ta bu tabi ba ito na isan ka ta lapi na bagi dapat ki dari ito sahi puni ni miyam dapat asi ko la program kaya ano na ay ko ni mama si ni si ero ba si isan si mapang ta ay ko dari ko wa ga nu ko na bagi dapat sahi ko ni yung nai kami si sa na ka na lai ba isan ko ba dong ito si ko ni ibung sing na sin chen sa ro lai ha si ko wi nu
मेरे संकल लगे हुए थे
Hello. Ibu ini pula kamu mereka tidak makan tapi ini adalah masih ini sih one by one kita terima jadi and we are very delighted to announce that the gift items that has been presented to all the animals here that has been sponsored by Viraj Kumar and Sunil Kumar, manufacturers, exporters and wholesalers of scarves, scarves, dupattas. ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯤꯐ ꯄꯔꯦꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯆꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯕꯤꯔꯥꯖ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯅꯤꯜ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ Asikumulaba kumai asi sahi kudingi. Agar memang sahi isikan sahi kudingi sisudah berdori. Pada maduna. Agar sahi makan di makan tadi untuk awasi awal pada untuk hari ini pun masih ada untuk kita lagi ini hari ini masih belum jadi. Program masih belum terlalu awal ini hari ini itu anak kita ada tu itu ni. Semua kerana tu yang baru nak makan nak kerana program masih tinggal nak hokan bagi. Pada maduna ini pada maduna. aduga loina hit distribution asina matunga hakima panda perform covid iba Manipur gi masuk kolektiba all the over India masuk kolektiba aduga lo kai ni ibu hai ni ko do ni and the famous speaker performance speaker song ya masuk panggil aduga amas lagi basi panggil haru matunga hanga kotha dana lai tiga tan ya ga aduga hol matunga auditorium ni ni na aduga hata kotha ni si haru ni aduga wa masi lagi ni ro mama si ni si 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 vai ko ni ma kham tham jabi aduga loina na haying tang tarung sar Central Hall University Delhi University ki non campus laiba ariba Central Hall kai bakol sida mori maru kai kami kodaba ida sahihi wo ni ya the fighting of the bakol ma hoiba mori maru kai bakol sidi Delhi Freedom Secretary maramaduna devi nati ko point kuna manna haying ariba Central Hall kuma makai kami kami makai story ariba kola sida ariba makai sida election berkuna mori maru kai premier sida so yi ni hai na online hari ba event ko organize so iba ko news ni mai ke ni ke berarti maramaduna ai kasi situation ni api ni hari kaza baru event ko sida ni ba sida mai ke jadi sampai jadi